Now our pick tool has many options, one of them being the copy option, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we look on our screen here, you can see that I've already got my hat selected up here on my screen. Now if I take my cursor and move it over, you can see that I'll get the scissors for cutting it out, but I don't want to cut it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Option on my keyboard here, and you can see that I get this little double arrow icon. And what this means is, if we zoom into it using my little scroll on my mouse, you can see that I can just grab this and move it off and just drop it, and there I have selected another hat. So let's hit Command and bring it out a bit, and what I'll do is I'll just bring this over to the side here. Now we have two hats, and all I did was whenever I bring this over, I can hit Option again, and it will copy it once again. Let's bring it over here. Where do we need to put another hat? We'll put another hat right here. There we go. And there you have it. Just by, a simple mouse click, when you have something marqueed, you can just grab it and copy it and bring it on over. And this will help make duplicates of something that you want to use, or however else you can think of using this. So enjoy.